Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arijit. Today I am going to present a video that is comparison between two premium devices. One is the flagship killer, the one I unboxed in the previous video, the Samsung S20 FE 5G, and the other one is a significant member of the Galaxy Note series, the Note 20. इस वीडियो में मैं दोनों डिवाइसेस के स्पेक्स कंपेयर करके दिखाऊंगा और Geekbench 5 का जो एनालिसिस है वो भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगा. So without any further ado, let's ring the bell. So guys, here I have highlighted some of the key differences between the specs of both the devices. So now let's get into some more details. So guys, as you can see, I am holding the S20 FE 5G on the left hand and the Note 20 in the right. Now on the left we can see the S20 FE 5G is having a 6.5 inches of display, and on the right the Note 20 is having a 6.7 inches of display. And you can see that both the phones are having a plastic back cover bound by aluminum panels on all the sides. You can choose from a variety of colors for both the devices. Here the S20 FE 5G is of cloud navy color and the Note 20 is of mystic green color. Now in spite of having plastic backs on both the devices, they look premium and are IP68 waterproof as well. Note 20 is a bit thicker and weighs more than the S20 FE 5G. And the Note 20 is also a bit wider than the Galaxy S20 FE 5G. And on the lower side of both the phones, we can see the USB Type-C charging ports. And one thing we should know that in both the mobiles, there is no 3.5mm jack. Now on both the phones, on the right side, we can see the power button and the volume rocker button. Now, as we know, the Galaxy S20 FE 5G is having a 4500 mAh of battery and the Note 20 is having a 4300 mAh battery. But the interesting part is that on the Galaxy Note 20 we get the 25 watt charger instead of the 15 watt Meeker charger which is being provided with the Galaxy S20 FE 5G. So there is a lesser chance of getting out of juice on both the handsets. Here we can see the Geekbench 5 analysis of both the devices. So guys, as we can see, the Galaxy S20 FE 5G has already come up with the score, but the Galaxy Note 20 is still lagging behind. So here it is, we get the score of the Note 20 as well. So as per the scores, we can see that both the devices are having a neck-to-neck performance ratio. So I think that's quite similar in both the devices. Now we are running the compute benchmark test in both the devices. And here we can see that the Note 20 has already finished its process, but the Galaxy S20 FE 5G, unlike the earlier scenario, has been lagging behind a bit. And the scores are also on the Note 20 side. So I think in this case, the Note 20 has definitely won it. Also, to get a better insight of both these devices, we have tried to analyze it through the app AnTuTu. Here we also get to see the CPU temperatures of both the devices, and we can see that the Note 20 is having a bit of higher CPU temperature than the Galaxy S20 FE1. As we can see here that the Note 20 is having a variation in its CPU temperature, and this is because of the Exynos chip that the Note 20 is having instead of the Snapdragon one that is in the 20 FE. But in the global variants of the Galaxy Note 20, Samsung has put on the Snapdragon chip instead of the Exynos ones, and I wonder why Samsung hasn't been providing the same in the Indian variant. Because in the earlier variant of the S20 FE 5G, the S20 FE also had the same Exynos processor, and there has been a lot of change after Samsung replaced it with the Snapdragon chipset. in the Samsung S20 FE 5G variant. Now coming on to the AnTuTu report, we can see all the specs are given here in both the devices, and we get the full detailed comparison between both the devices and their specifications. So guys, in my opinion, I think after analyzing all the specs and pros and cons of both the devices and keeping in mind the price difference of something like 20k, I would like to go with S20 FE 5G over the Note 20, as it is truly a complete package and value for money. As we can see here in both the devices, the screen response is pretty much swift, and in this scenario I think Samsung S20 FE 5G has got an upper hand because it is having a 120Hz display as compared to 60Hz display in the Note 20. Now coming to the cameras, the S20 FE 5G has a 12 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of telescopic camera and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide. Whereas the Note 20 has a 12 megapixel of wide, 64 megapixel of telescopic and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera as well. Now these are some of the images that I have captured with both the cameras of both the devices. So do let me know in your comments below about which of the device you thought shot the better. Now guys, one thing that makes the Galaxy Note 20 special is its S Pen. The S Pen, which we can see on the lower panel, is embedded right at the corner, and it looks so sleek, so stylish, and it's so conveniently fitted into the device that I think everyone should fall for it. I mean, if someone needs to do some presentation or create some animation or do some graphic design, one can easily use it at his convenience. Also guys, it has a multifunction key through which we can shoot selfies and zoom into images while capturing them. And so I am planning to make a detailed video of the various utilities of this magic wand, I should say. So please subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Hope you guys like my video. मैं आगे भी बहुत सारे एक्साइटिंग वीडियोस लाने वाला हूँ. उन्हें देखने के लिए please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay home, God bless and peace out.